The vehicle I've got in front of me is a Concorde Carver Centurion Style, and in this video I'm going to give you a very quick overview of it. Something like this starts off at around €250,000. This one's got so much added to it that it's gonna cost a lot more, 380,000. Well, that's due to things such as the air suspension, the automatic pneumatic leveling system. Well, they both cost €10,000 each approximately, and there's a lot more beside which will add to it. This vehicle here has a sort of German layout at the back. It's not quite a German layout, but it's sort of. There are two other vehicles in this series which have a rear lounge, and the largest one in this series has a queen bed and space for a car in the garage as well. Wonderful dressing room here with place for your clothes as well, and a very large shower, which you probably noticed. Just to demonstrate how this can form into a dressing room, there you go. I've closed it all the way around, and there's me in the mirror. Lovely molded sink. Coming into the kitchen, we've got 3 hobs widely spaced apart and a large molded sink. Here we have a fridge, one of these clever ones which opens both ways. In fact, it's a fridge freezer, and above it has a bit of storage. You say, where's the oven? For the 380,000 I want an oven, but you're not going to get one. You could have to put it in yourself. Here we have an L-shaped lounge, very elegant chairs at the back. This is on the Iveco Daily, and it also comes with things such as ALDE heating here, and there you have, for example, the computer connection, your Wi-Fi connection inside. Here we have an elegant drinks and glass container. Another feature of this vehicle is the enormous garage it has out here, which I'll show you from the other side. So there you've got this enormous garage, deep double floor, and if you found that of interest, then you might want to see the entire video explaining it in more detail. Thanks for watching.